Rhythm, which information you are going to give us today?
About Narendra Modi ji.
Narendra Modi. Who is he?
He is Prime Minister of our India.
Acha, good. Do you like him?
Yes, because he has done so many works like A to Z.
A to Z. What is A to Z? Can you tell me in detail?
Yes.
Okay. A for?
Ayushman Bharat airstrike in Pakistan.
Good. B for?
Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao bullet train.
Wow. C for?
Corruption free India coal production and COVID-19 vaccination.
Good. D for?
Diwali in Ayodhya, Digital India.
Good. E for?
Electrify India e-tendering.
Good. F for?
Farmer Fasal Bima Yojana.
Wow, good. G for?
GST, GDP and Ganga cleaning.
Very good. H for?
Highway construction home loan cheaper.
I for?
Inflation control Indradhanush mission.
J for?
Jan Dhan Yojana, Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana.
Very good. K for?
Kedarnath development knee transplant.
Good. L for?
LED bulb price labor pension 6,000.
Good. M for?
Make in India mobile largest factory.
N for?
NGO restriction Nexel control.
Good. O for?
OROP optical fiber.
P for?
Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana passport speed.
Passport? Do you have passport?
Yes. पासपोर्ट का मीनिंग पहले जब पासपोर्ट लेने में देर लगती थी ना, मोदी जी ने पासपोर्ट जल्दी करवा दिया.
R for?
रोड डेवलपमेंट एंड राफेल डील.
Good. Rafale? Can you tell me what is Rafale?
Rafale is a jet plane.
Okay, very good. S for?
सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी, स्वच्छ भारत एंड स्वरोजगार योजना.
Very good. T for?
टॉयलेट कंस्ट्रक्शन 10 करोड़ टैक्स कलेक्शन.
Very good. U for?
उज्ज्वला योजना, उड़ान योजना.
Good. V for?
वाराणसी डेवलपमेंट वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस.
Very good. W for?
वाटरवे वार मेमोरियल.
Good. X for?
एक्सपोज ऑफ ऑल आवर देशद्रोही गैंग्स.
Very good. Y for?
योगा डे.
Good. And Z?
Zero unnamed railway crossing. Zero terrorist